Hey everyone, I'm in Guangdong Airport, just got into China. We've got an hour and a half drive to Shenzhen. I am very tired. We're about to go out for dinner. There's a whole bunch of people behind, just there. It's the crew. I'm not going to shove the camera in front of their faces right now. Anyway, I made it alive. The tour starts tomorrow. Hey, it's super early on Saturday morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, and I am jet lagged, so I'm awake. I've had 2 hours sleep. I feel like absolute crap, but I am standing below our hotel, and I'm looking around. I'm standing in a forecourt. So there's the hotel behind me, which is all the way up there, and yeah, I'm just wandering around in the streets, nice and quiet. This morning. This is kind of like the central area of where we're going to be. Sorry, they're spinning around. I believe that's one of the entrances behind me to some of the market area, or maybe not, I don't know. Anyway, I'll try to keep a bit of a vlog going. My eyes are all puffy, I'm just so tired. I don't know how I'm going to cope, how I'm going to last the day today. But we'll see how we go. Anyway, bye! I've been told Shenzhen's a bit of a night city, but wow, look how beautiful this is. It's quite peaceful out here in the morning. It's just a few workers around, and me walking, and wow, I can't wait to see what this looks like in the evening when it's all lit up even more, and it's, you know, hustle and bustle, and lots of noise. But right now, this is just beautiful. A lot of Oppo ads everywhere, and some pretty tall buildings. Whoa! Yeah, crazy. I think this is part of the markets. I'm not sure. I have no idea where I am. But this is beautiful. The advantage of being jet lagged is just to wander around in the streets. No one haggling in. It's awesome. Okay, day one, we're about to go on a tour of the market so we can learn where everything is. There's a whole bunch of tour people. We're all wearing our HardworX t-shirts just for today, so we're going to do a group photograph. But yeah, it's the street, a few people walking around now. I don't know which direction we're going. I think we're going that way, I'm not sure. Anyway, I'll just keep updating bits at a time. So I'm at the markets. It is just completely overwhelming. It's nuts. Like, we've just gone through 3 floors of one building. There's 12 floors here. This is just one corner of one floor of one building, and it's completely overwhelmed. Just nuts. It's going to take me days and days of looking through to find anything crazy. Just look at that. One corner of the building. Can't even get all the way to the top from here. I've got to go to a different elevator.
It can't be all that bad.
We're out for dinner. It's a long story, but that is... Was it cow guts?
Cow stomach.
That's cow stomach, and that's duck intestines. Holy moly! I'm not eating any of it. Shenzhen at night, all the buildings are lit up. It's animating. Amazing stuff. Lights, LEDs everywhere. KFC. Shenzhen at night time from the hotel. Pretty cool. Look at that building, all painted in flowers. sleep with that in your face. Do I want a robot?
I do want a robot. One better than these ones.
Yeah, they've got no legs.
Yeah.
They can't go anywhere. It's a holographic image. The second last day in Shenzhen, and yeah, just doing some shopping, just looking around. It's a bit noisy where I am. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. I'm knackered. It's been a crazy trip. It's been non-stop. I've enjoyed every minute of it. I'm off to find some more passives and what else? I don't know. Bits and bobs. I'll look forward to getting home actually. See you all soon. Sorry.
It's about 395 meters. And this building is about 441 meters. About.
So we're on the 96th floor of a building. What's the building called? This building?
KK100.
Oh, KK100. Of KK100. It's last day in Shenzhen. Just having some breakfast, having coffee. I have a bit more shopping to do. I feel like I have taken stacks of video, and I also feel like I've missed videoing almost everything. It's been non-stop this whole trip. It's really full on. I think I'm going to sleep for 2 days when I get back. But it was fantastic, really exciting. I can't wait to share everything with everyone. I have a long flight ahead of me tonight, but I'm going to pick up some things for the kids today. Yeah, sorry, tired, exhausted, crazy. Highly recommend it. Bye. This is Paul living dangerously. It's not videoing very well, so I'm just, oh, this is the vision.
Mercedes logo.
And the count of 3, 4, stick your finger in it. 1,
No,
2.
no, because I tried that and it really hurts.
There's Inception, me videoing, Andy videoing, Paul. Okay, I have no idea what this is or if you can hear me because of the music. These are all VR experience things, I think. There's those VR pods we've got in Melbourne. You sit in, and I think here is, yep, VR stuff. Check out the X-Wing. Holy mother of something. Wow. Oh my, I want this. I want this in my house. And here's a full, it's not really there's no movement pad at the bottom. It's just standing. Those cameras. It's a little dome, 2-person capsule. And check that out. Gunboat. Gunboat. Okay, last day of the market. This is the SEG building. Oh! I'm gonna go in there, do some final shopping. Yeah. It's sad it's the last day. Let's go shopping. Oh, I saw some reflow ovens in the market. Pretty amazing. Took ages. I wonder what these copper iron tips are. Never seen them before. That's a nice grinder too. Got silver ones. I need to find myself some iron tips. A whole bunch of them. This is what all the little tool shops look like. There's just thousands of these. So I found the mother lode of all iron tips. And buckets and buckets and buckets of them. So I got myself some tips. Thin ones. They had slightly shorter ones, but these ones look nicer. 10 of them for $4. Can't go wrong. In the tools section, it's just store after store like this. So in this particular building is the tool, we call it the tools building. There's not all tools, but this particular floor is just non-stop tools. And some of them are stalls and some of them are shops. And it's just packed. So Saturday morning here, people open up on Saturday, especially at 10 o'clock. Normally during the week, it's currently 10 past 11 and people are still kind of getting to work. Maybe some ICs. This is how everything's displayed for you to go through and choose from. Completely overwhelming. We're having Mexican, our last meal. Meal inside Shenzhen, main area. Hey Chris! Hi Bella! Thanks for organising the tour, Bella.
You're welcome.
And I just wanted to show you these sombrero lights we've got hanging from the ceiling. Wow! They're pretty cool. Yes, we're having Mexican in Shenzhen. Everyone at the airport, about to go home, passport, tickets, woohoo! And they almost tried putting me on the toilet seat again at the back of the plane, but I got it moved. I'm sitting on an aisle. Very excited to go home. It's been a great trip. What a beautiful airport. Check out the airport. Makes Melbourne airport look like a relic. Anyway, I look forward to speaking to you all soon. Bye.